that conquered Calvary, the love that bore the cross for all, shall never cease nor ever fade, though earth and heaven rise and fall. The love that hung upon the tree, with wounded hands and pierced side, forgave the ones who caused his pain, and opened mercy's gates so wide.
The love that welcomes sinners near, the poor, the stranger, and the weak, still calls the wandering heart to come, and finds the soul that longs to seek.
No hatred could extinguish love, no grave could hold the Son of God. He rose triumphant from the dead, and shattered death's oppressive rod. The love that conquered Calvary shall seek the furthest soul away. No heart beyond its patient reach, no life beyond its healing day. The lost shall hear